It's an absolute joy for me to go to Bell Brunt every day. It's such a privilege to work with talented people, these artists, designers and jewellers. I'm always astounded at their talent, what they're producing. It's art, it's beauty, design, but especially for me, it's the sentiment behind it. We're meeting people at the most meaningful time of their life. It may not be the best time, but it's always something so special for them. Whether it's an engagement or a marriage, celebrating the birth of a child, or commemorating a loved one by having something made. And for us to be able to play a meaningful part in that is so special. It's a real honour to be a part of that at Bell Brunt and to contribute to that in any small way.